Next level gardening, taking your green thumb to new heights. Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to elevate your skills, this article will share expert tips and techniques to help you achieve next level gardening status. 1. Soil science, understanding the foundation of your garden. Soil is the foundation of your garden, and understanding its composition and needs is crucial for optimal growth. Learn about the different types of soil, how to test your soil's pH and nutrient levels, and how to amend it for optimal performance. 2. Companion planting, the art of pairing plants for maximum benefit. Companion planting is the practice of pairing plants to enhance their growth, health, and productivity. Learn about the benefits of companion planting, how to choose the right combinations, and how to create a harmonious and thriving garden ecosystem. 3. Hydroponics and aquaponics, the future of gardening. Hydroponics and aquaponics are innovative methods of growing plants without soil. Learn about the benefits and advantages of these systems, how they work, and how to set up your own hydroponic or aquaponic garden. 4. Pruning and training, shaping your plants for optimal growth. Pruning and training are essential skills for any gardener. Learn about the different pruning techniques, how to train your plants for optimal growth, and how to create stunning shapes and structures in your garden. 5. Integrated pest management, a holistic approach to pest control. Integrated pest management (IPM) is a holistic approach to controlling pests and diseases in your garden. Learn about the principles of IPM, how to identify and manage pests, and how to create a balanced and healthy garden ecosystem. 6. Vertical gardening, maximizing space and style. Vertical gardening is a great way to maximize space and add visual interest to your garden. Learn about the different types of vertical gardening systems, how to choose the right plants, and how to create a stunning vertical garden display. 7. Biodynamic gardening, working with nature's rhythms. Biodynamic gardening is a holistic approach to gardening that takes into account the natural rhythms and cycles of nature. Learn about the principles of biodynamic gardening, how to work with the lunar cycles, and how to create a harmonious and thriving garden ecosystem. Conclusion: next level gardening is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in your garden. By mastering these advanced techniques and strategies, you'll be able to create a truly exceptional garden that's both beautiful and productive. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always room to grow and improve. So why not take your gardening to the next level and see what amazing things you can achieve?